Using Indeed to recruit talent is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm gonna teach you how you guys can use Indeed to recruit talent. So for that, you just have to be at your Google and then you simply have to search for Indeed and go to Indeed's website. Once you are at this website, you just have to create a new account. If you do not have one, if you have one, just quickly log in. After logging in, just click on this link which should say employer slash post job on the top right corner. After clicking on that, you will see this page. Now here you simply have to click on this post a job. After clicking on post a job, as you guys can see, you can actually post a job opportunity for the recruiters. Once you do that, they will, start submitting the CVs, their resumes. You just have to look for the right talent. Hiring people is actually a good skill. If you do have one, you will be able to get the right talent working for you. So you just have to post a job and wait for good CVs to come. If you like one, just hire them. So that's pretty much it. That's how you will be able to do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.